back to Android Tricks, and this is my official first vlog on YouTube, so it can get a bit boring, but I'm open to constructive feedback and I really want to vlog this year. I have mentioned it on Twitter as well. Also the noise which you are hearing is of train. I might have mentioned this earlier that I live near the track, so it gets really difficult for me to do the A-roll. Anyway, keeping that aside, the event is in Bandra and the event is of Tata Hexa car. Like they have invited many YouTubers like Dhananjay, Saurabh, Ashik, Shubhan. So it will be a nice meetup for us as well. Hi, I am already late and I'll be leaving. It is around 1 hour 30 minutes from my place. And Dhananjay, Saurabh, everyone is almost already reached. So I'm already late, so I'll see you guys over there. So that was on the way to BKC and I found it really good for time lapse. So yeah, that's pretty much now. I'm going towards the BKC. See you at the event. Ashik has already left, so he'll be meeting me there directly. So here I am at the event waiting for Ashik. He'll be coming in auto. He just told me that he'll be here in 10-15 minutes. By the way, my color is matching with what their theme color is, and you can see it over here. This is Ashik Sheikh. I'll link his channel down below if you want to subscribe. And let us go in. You should subscribe. So yeah, we'll go in. Shubhan will be taking much more time. So we are just going in. Registration desk. I don't know. So we'll be going in the experience center. So this is the first preview of Tata Hexa event. It looks really nice. They have got 2 cars for the showpiece, as well as they have got so many stalls. So I'm done with the registration. They asked just to fill 2 forms, and once I was done, they gave me this band. The black band indicates that I am eligible for a test drive, whereas Ashik, he is not even 18. Like, I don't know, he does not have a license. So we are finally.
Dharmik Patel from Android Tricks.
Sir is here. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Filming a vlog today. I'm on
Pixel.
No, Pixel XL. So yeah.
Rich people. Yeah. You liked it?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I wish I could take it 3-4 times.
Is it that good?
It's very good, but it's short. That's the problem. Like, you start enjoying it and then it ends. Okay. But it's good. It's good.
Like na do please subscribe.
Once again.
And now we are roaming around waiting for Shubhan, and then we'll be
Waiting for Sigma 18 to 35.
Yeah, waiting.
And
Actually, not
ATD.
Shubhan. Actually, waiting for Sigma 18 to 35.
And ATD.
And then as Shubhan comes, we'll go for the test drive.
So guys, this is the off-roading session going on over here. As you can see, they have few things where they are really showing the potential of the car. And my number is 113, as you can see it over here. My chance will be coming anytime soon, so really excited for it.
Finally, we are in the car and we'll experience the Hexa. I'm really excited, as I showed you earlier. The things over here are really insane. The experience starts. Oh, the car is really tilted to the right. Oh, so now comes the steps. So ride is done right now, so and we are given this form, feedback kind of form. The ride was really interesting. It was actually off-roading, and the things over there, as you can hear the noise, it was really thrilling. We really enjoyed it. What about you, Ashik?
Exciting, scary, and और क्या था?
This form is not getting ended. We are filling it since 4 minutes now. As you can see it over here, I'll definitely fast forward it. But still. Anyway, so done with the feedback form. We'll be going out and probably have something to eat and then leave. That would be all for the day. After the test drive done right over there, we have to roam around and see all the stalls. So yeah, basically this is not just a car drive. They are giving the whole Hexa experience, as I just shown you all around all these booths. Then they have global beverages, in which I had the tea which I mentioned. This is a center where you can adopt a dog. Standing over there. Now I'll get back with Shubhan and Ashik Sheikh, who are recording the videos since a long time. I am going to take the footage from them. As you can see it over here, Ashik Sheikh and Morrison Technology. So after the event, we went with Shubhan and they dropped us here at Sakinaga station. From here we'll go to Andheri and then at my place. We took a long cut actually, but then anyway, thanks Shubhan for the lift. So waiting for the metro, it will come in 2 minutes from now. Feet? 60 feet?